Hey guys, welcome to Desert Armory and More. We got ourselves here a Shapleigh King Nitro single shot. Shapleigh, something of the sort. You pull it back, put your single shot in it, put your protection on. Gotta have that, right folks? If we can find the other ear plug. Pull this back. I've never shot this yet, so hopefully it works. It does, folks. Let's try that again. Put another one in there. Pull it back. Shoots a little left and high. Sorry, right and high. Try that again. Could just be my stance. Take a breather. Let it out. Yep. It does hit the wrong direction. That could easily be the sight because it's so loose. Let's try that again. Helps if I pull it back, right folks? Same spot. It's all hitting high and right. So let's turn our sight a little bit. Pull it back. And we totally missed that time, so definitely that did not help. Let's try it again, and we will do that one more time at least. There we go, dead on folks, dead on. Cool little one shot here. We got this at a swap meet or gun show, something, for $80-something. Definitely favoring the right and up. I got one in bullseye. Anyways, thanks for stopping by Desert Armory and More. You could have stopped by somebody else's place, but you didn't. Thank you so much. You have a blessed day.